Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the Forex chart of DXY US dollar index, and as discussed in our previous video that to continue the upside, DXY dollar index need to cross 102 level, but DXY face serious resistance around the area and failed to do so. If you look at the overall chart of DXY, then there is no denial that the market is in a downturn, but at this moment right now DXY is showing signs of recovery. As a result, the day traders should consider the present trend of the market only. So here we can see that dollar index DXY closed at 101.70. Right after the market opening, we will have to see how does the market react to the level of 102. As we all know that to continue the upside, DXY needs to cross 102 level. If it crosses this level here, then we can assume that the upside will continue because the next resistance will be around 102.50. But on the other hand, if dollar index shows red candles right after the market opening, then we will have the first support around 101.10. Then we have the second support around 100.50. These are the two support levels on the chart of DXY where we can expect the market to receive some support from the buyers. Usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday. So if market opens on a slower note like a typical Monday market, then obviously these support levels should work nicely if market shows downside. And one thing we need to remember, we need to keep in mind that for a breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. To break the level of 102, volume is required. If there is not much volume in the market and if DXY shows breakout, also try to avoid, because in absence of volume there is a high chance that the breakout will fail. Okay, and if you look at the forexfactory.com or the economy calendar, you can see that on Monday we don't have any news, but from Tuesday onwards, okay, we will have a series of events. You can see on Tuesday we have PMI, on Wednesday we have ADP, non from employment change, on Thursday we have ISM services, and on Friday the big one, the NFP. So the market will keep us on our toes. Let's wait and watch. Now let's talk about euro dollar, euro USD. And my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of euro USD, and you can see that chart prime has generated many signals on the chart. If you also want signals like this on your chart, then please watch the end of the video. So this is the 1 hour chart of euro USD, and we can see that right now market is in downtrend. Okay, we can clearly see the market is forming lower lows and lower highs. Whenever market is going up, unable to cross the previous high and breaking the previous lows. Simple answer is market is in downtrend. What is the time frame here? The time frame is 1 hour. So if you're a day trader, then obviously you should consider the present trend of the market here and plan your trades accordingly. But if you're a positional trader, if you're a swing trader, then obviously your time frame, okay, your time frame is the weekly, or you should be focusing on the daily time frame. This is a weekly chart of euro USD, and we can see that after this big downfall, euro USD is showing signs of recovery, and we can see the market is still in uptrend. The recovery mode on euro USD is still on. So as a result, if you're a positional trader, okay, then obviously you should be focusing on the weekly or daily time frame and consider the market to be in uptrend only, because it is the daily chart of euro USD. Okay, will you call this market in downtrend? Obviously no. We can just see that right now there's correction going on. So you can see the same chart, but the perspective is different. That's why it is very important to know what type of trading style suits you best. Accordingly you can choose the time frame. So if you're a positional trader, swing trader, then this is the chart for you, and you should go for a buy at support. But on the other hand, if you're a day trader, you should go for sell at resistance, because the market is in downtrend. You're getting my point? Okay, if not, then please watch the video again. Okay, anyways, you can see here So euro dollar closed at 1.1013. This is the last traded price here, and we can see that FIBO 23.6% more or less worked, because along with FIBO 23.6, we also had previous support acting as resistance. We also had moving averages, 50 and 100 moving averages acting as dynamic resistance for the market. The market opening will be very, very important here. Okay, because one thing we need to understand here is that the present trend of the market may be towards the downside, but overall trend of the market is up. Okay, so there's a good chance that euro USD will be showing signs of recovery again, or euro USD will go for trend reversal again. Even if you're a day trader, there's a high chance that euro USD will try to change the trend of the market again, because the overall time, not overall, the higher time frames are pointing towards an upside. Okay, so the market opening will be very, very important for euro USD. If the downside on euro USD continues, then this time there's a good chance that the previous low, okay, the previous low will work as support here, because for the last couple of days the previous low is not working, because market is continuously forming lower lows in the market. But this time there's a good chance that the previous low of 1.0943 to 50 will act as the new support for the market, especially on Monday, because on Monday we don't have much volatility, and as I said, and as we all know, that for a breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. In absence of volume, market will take support and bounce. And as I said, on higher time frames, we can already see the market is showing that market has reached the support, so there's a good chance that market will bounce from here. And in case the level of 1.0950 1.0943 fails to provide support to the market, okay, you don't need to worry, because the next support on euro USD is around 1.0878. This is the next support on the chart of euro USD. And if you are a risk taker, if you have the risk appetite, you can also look for a sell below this level here, 1.0943 level. If you want to take a risky sell position, you can look for a risky sell position. How much you can expect? You can expect at least a trade of 20-25 pips, and the next support will be around 1.0878. See, 1.0878. okay, we are considering Fibonacci here, and here market has respected Fibo here. More or less our Fibo levels have worked. That's why we are also hopeful that our Fibo 61.8 will work again. So let's wait and watch. So these are the two levels on the chart of euro USD, okay, where we can expect the market to take support. Usually I always say that we can expect a bounce, but this time we can expect a good bounce, or a trend reversal also, because on higher time frames we are seeing that market is showing signs of trend reversal. Okay, and if you're already holding a buy or sell position, then you can be on the trade, no need to exit. On the other hand, if market shows upside right after the market opening, then we have resistance around 1.1070. Around this level we have a resistance. On Monday, especially during the European session and Asian session, if you see market is going up, then obviously market will face some problem around this area, because sellers are present. So if market reverses from here, if you see that market is struggling around this area, market is showing price rejection from above, will give you the confirmation that yes, it is working as resistance, and you can click on the sell button. So this is our resistance for the day, not for the day, okay, for Monday, especially during the first half. And if market continues the downside, then there's a good chance that market will go for a trend reversal very soon. As a result, try to buy at support. And if you already have a buy position, sell position on the chart, try to close the position with lower loss. Try to close your positions at break even. I'm not predicting anything here, okay, because I'm a day trader. I'm a hardcore day trader. I have in fact, okay, told many times that I'm a hardcore day trader. I prefer to trade from level to level only. Okay, so that's why, okay, that's why I have recommended levels here, and I think that these levels should work. But this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And this is Chart Prime. Whether you're looking for signals on the chart or you want to take your trading to the next level, Chart Prime can be an awesome tool. Elevate your trading game. You can see here they have three powerful indicators: Market Oracle Pro, Market Dynamics Pro, and Prime Oscillator Pro. So the buy and sell signals generated by Chart Prime are done by the Market Oracle Pro. Market Oracle Pro not only generates buy and sell signals, but it also helps you to analyze the market in a very terrific manner. You can see that there are lines in between the chart. These are the dynamic support resistances. If you use these lines, that you don't need to use moving averages to find out the dynamic support resistances. And they also have this green line here, the red line here. You can see this is the trend assistant, so that you don't mess with the trend of the market. Apart from these things, okay, there are other implications of Market Oracle Pro. Okay, but people love Market Oracle Pro for the buy and sell signals on the chart. Then we have the Prime Oscillator Pro. The oscillator means it shows us the overbought and oversold levels. But apart from finding out the overbought and oversold levels, it also marks the divergences for you, so that you can play with the momentum of the market. If you trade on divergence, then this tool will be very useful for you. And along with that, Oscillator Pro also generates buy and sell signals. You can see here the green arrow at the bottom of the chart marks the buy position or buy opportunity. The red arrow at the top of the oscillator marks the selling opportunity. So with the help of Oscillator Pro also, you can generate or trade on the chart. Personally, I prefer to use the signals generated by the Oscillator Pro, especially on a sideways market. They do a fine job. Apart from these two tools here, they also have Market Dynamics Pro for those who love to trade on smart money, change of character, breakout structure, order block, and along with that, Market Dynamics Pro also have a chart pattern detection. Yes, it works very nicely. So my dear friends, right now Chart Prime is giving 30% off. If you really want to take your trading to the next level, scan the QR code on the screen. You can also click on the I button on the screen. Feel free to check out the link in the description also.